What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Happy Hills Garage. Today, I'm gonna be doing something that I've been thinking about for a while and that a few of my friends have done and told me about, and that is getting an oil test done from Blackstone Laboratories. I do know there are a few other organizations that do oil testing like Blackstone does, but the reason I chose Blackstone is mostly because I know about it from my friend group, and they give out free test kits, at least when they give it to you. I'll get to that in a minute about when you ship it out though. And I figured it'd be an easy way to go about testing my oil and seeing how my engine's doing, and also for the future tests with a new oil change. As far as what you get in the free kit that Blackstone sends you, you get a big container for storing your oil, but inside you have a smaller container for where the actual oil goes. So you'll put your oil in here. You wanna wrap that bottle around with this. That way it collects any residual oil that gets around the bottle. Inside you have a bag, which you put this into the bag to ensure, again, that no oil leaks out. And then at the bottom of the bottle, they give you an oil change interval sticker that you can place on your windshield or wherever you want, just so you know when you change the oil and when you should do it next. Now, along with all the collection bottles and terry cloth and all that stuff, you have a couple stickers. I have business card, Slick Talk, I guess he has a podcast or something as well. You have the instruction booklet, or instruction sheet, I guess, that kind of goes through what exactly you should be doing to, one, collect the oil, put it into the bottle properly, and also label this card right here that they give you, which has you give your name, your address, all your contact info, all the gas, diesel information, as well as your oil information, and then also what you're gonna be using to pay this with. Now, earlier I said that Blackstone Laboratories sends you this kit for free. That is a fact. However, it does cost you, I believe it is $40 when you send it back in to actually perform the tests. So it's not too bad, but it's not free. So if you go into it thinking that everything is free, it is not. They give you the kit for free, but whenever you send it back in, you'll have to pay some money to actually get the test done. Now the kit's opened up, I showed you guys what's all in there. It's time for me to go under the car, start my oil change, and then show you how I'm going to collect this oil.
Start off by removing your oil drain plug, letting the oil flow out. With the oil streaming out, place the open bottle in the middle of the oil stream and fill it up to right under the bottom of the cap threads. Cap up the bottle and move on to the next steps.
Once you have your oil collected in the smaller bottle, go ahead and wipe it down even more just to make sure there's as little residual oil on the bottle as possible, and making sure that it's sealed on as tight as you can make it. Now go ahead and take the gray material supplied in the package. This will be able to catch any residual oil that's still on the bottle, and that may even leak out. Now, one thing to note that I'm not doing right now until after I'm done filming this part is you need to put your name or your customer ID number with Blackstone on top of here. So I'm gonna be putting my name on here after I show you the entire process. But just be sure, write it before you pack it all up. That way you don't have to do it a second time like I'm gonna have to. Once you have the bottle wrapped up, go ahead and put it into the supplied clear plastic bag, seal that up. Then once all of that is secured, go ahead and open up the black bottle and stick everything inside, making sure to let out as much air in the clear bag as you possibly can. Zip it back up, stuffing it on the ends, and then seal up the black container, and I'll get on to the next steps. Once the oil is properly secured in the container, go ahead and take your information slip and fill out all of the applicable sections right here. As such, your engine, make, model, vehicle, year, make, model. Unit ID is going to be basically what do you want to call it. So in my case, I'll call it 2025 GR Corolla or apostrophe 25 Corolla, my type of oil with Mobil 1, etc. Something like that. Just fill out all the information, turn it around, and this is where you're gonna fill out either your credit card information, fill out your check number, or they even say that you can add $40 cash or whatever it is at the time that you put this in. Make sure to check at the exact cost of what it'll cost you, but you can put that in as well. And once all this is filled out, go ahead and take your supplied return packaging and put everything in here, seal it up, take it to UPS or your USPS, whichever one you want to go to, and send it off to Blackstone Labs. I've got my kit all packed up and ready to go, so I'm gonna go drop this off and have it delivered in a timely manner so I can get my results back and get them back to you guys as well. But if you enjoyed this video and you got some good use out of it, please leave a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and ring the bell so you guys will be notified of whenever I get my results back and I talk you guys through what the results mean, and all my other videos, SECA news, racing stuff, more car content in general, and even gaming related racing things as well. So stay tuned for all that, and until next time guys, keep going fast.